Hello. I know I see the late. Hi, Jane Bim Vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. I see the late. Thank you so much. Gana, bangyari na da, boy. Dabre. Hindi ka nang dabre ka. Patanan ko, hindi ko matulang. Patanan ko. It's okay now. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, my team. Oh my god. I fall nervous if you fight again. Burns Katripan watching host. Thumbs up for. Thank you, Burns Katripan. Salamat. Good evening, Hugos. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Good evening to you too. Good. Maneret ko. Thank you everyone here watching. What's up? Where are you na, guys? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Hi, Ito. Welcome back. How are you? Lol, no, long time. Why? Long time no hair. What are you doing? You busy in life? What are you doing? Remember what we talked about. Huh? A little sorry when you go live. I miss them. Thank you, Ito. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you so much. Just been busy, yeah. It's okay, I understand. People busy all day. Hello, Turkey. Hi from Turkey. Aydugan Oysal from Turkey. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining here. How are you?
Naisip mo, lakas ang loob ko may kinalaman siguro sa nangyari kay Nicholas. Dahil ang usapin ako sa kanya. Hindi tayo ganun. Hindi tayo nang bibintang ng lamang ko, diba? Ha? Kaya mga agahan yan sa opisina eh. Parang function ka na investigation.
G. Bron. Sheryl, he's Sally. Hi, OG Bron. Read the messenger.
Sige na. Ako bahala kayo. Ha? Ito ka lang. Pahinga ka. Ibig na ako lang. Sige. Kung ako lang yan. Lalaban ko, pamilya ko. Bahala na.
Okay, hello OG from Echo. Hello everyone, I'm Sally. Cheryl, what are you eating? Like a pumpkin. I eat pumpkin. Hello, you Sally. Sally. Hi guys. Good evening. Thank you for joining here, guys. Thank you so much. Lol, you got OG. You gold OG.
Malakas ang loob mo pumunta rito, ha? Gusto mo mamatay?
Ito, yes, I'm good. I just chilling. Same here. Same here. Ito, great. Yep. I think someone. What means I do again? Yes, I eat. Charles, save me a bite. I think Poncan, there is a lot of Poncan there. In your place, in your country. Lord, is she famous? Sheryl, okay. Ito, yeah, she famous. Thank you everyone. One last bite. Hello, all done. One last. Parang kahapon lang. Magkikap sa ulan. Tanda ko parang At lumapit. What you doing this weekend? I think tomorrow I need to work, and Sunday I'm doing Zumba. Monday, regular days need to work. Tomorrow to I want to make a food, Filipino dishes. Ah! Zumba like dancing, yeah, Zumba like dancing. Choo, 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 choo. Like this, like this. It's good for the belly. Okay, oh, okay, sounds cool, yeah. Sounds cool. Zumba. Ganda ko paano kita. You miss or just message scroll up. Yeah, because Cheryl, because my tummy hurts, but you eat it all. Sorry, OG. Oh my god, I'm hungry, you know. Sorry. The food is enough for me. I'm sorry. Sunda ka paano kita. Rude. Upside down, bouncing up the calling, inside out, trying to seeing a friend tomorrow. No, no. My friends were not see like before. Before, oh my god, every day, every night, we bonding my friends. Batchmates, my friend. But now I'm busy. I'm focused on myself and my God. Cheryl, good evening. Nag-dinner ka na? Yes. Dinner done, dinner. Thank you, Maridoke de la Fuente. So now it's different because you're busy, yeah. I'm busy and I'm because I'm taken now. I'm, I'm getting married soon. That's why I need to be a good wife. Yes. I need to be a good wife. That's why. Oh God, I'm preparing to be a good wife. Masabi Kwa, congratulations, that be patient. Thank you, Isa. Thank you so much. May I attend the wedding? Just kidding. Okay, just fine. You can attend and you need to bring your gift. Everyone can send the gift. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Lol, you are too far. Yeah. Uh, what if? Ouch. Yes, so far. Ganito na lang. Mag-live ka during wedding kung okay lang. Yes, I'll do live during wedding. I will do live. Lol, okay, we will watch live. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. Ay! Done! At sinabi handa ko pa noon unang Lily sounds happy. Yes, I'm happy because it's the first time, getting, you will not, ano na, oh my god. Why? The thing is here, I will speak in English. It's okay, you can speak whatever you want. Lol, sorry, Mars. Thank you for joining here. No, they can't, Tito. Thank you for the 6 people here. Thank you so much. Sorry, Tim, I didn't know. Okay. Thank you for watching, for the 6 people here. Thank you, guys. What do you mean, okay? Tim, sometimes my grammar is off. Like, is a nosebleed if I speak English. Yep. Lol. Yes. And you know what the here, people said it's difficult to speak in English. It's like a nose bleeding because speak English difficult to speak. We understand the English, but we difficult to speak how to deliver their grammar. It's okay, sure. Grammar in English is still also, but speaking English help her. Okay, thank you. Not that. Okay, okay. Lol, ano split? Yes. The what you call this? It's just saying here. Just saying here. Saying. At sinabi na ako dadaan. Tanda ko pa noon. Sakit. It's really hard. Cheryl is so fluent in speaking English. No, I'm not. Well, this teaches you. Yep. Okay, it's something you used to saying that aside. This here in Philippines, if we it's if If Filipino, if we are difficult to speak in English, like we trying hard, but it's very it's difficult to speak in English. Like, oh, my nose is bleeding to speak in English. That's why just saying here in the Philippines. That's why. Thank you, pa. Thank you so much. At nagko anaginip. Lol, okay. Okay. Tanda ko pa nung unang magkita.
Kawawa naman si nanay. Wala ko siya kailangan. Hindi ko siya dapat makulang. Kaya gagawin ko ang lahat para makalaya siya. Makakawalan mo siya. Oo. Dahil alam ko kung gaano kahirap sa rin ng tulungan. Kaya gagawin ko ang lahat para makalaya siya.
Panaginip ayokong magising.
Pero mas delikado ang buhay kayo ng nanay.
Nasaan
Kinakailangan mo siya maligtas.
na? She speak English okay, but still need help with it. But she will learn. Yeah, I need to learn. Thank you, my team. I need to learn more. Oh my god. What is this? Sumagalaw. Uh, yes. So far, so good. So far, so good. Ayokong magising, ngunit nasaan ka na? Ko ay mahal mo pa ba? Tanda ko pa nun. Yung mga mata at panaginip. Hi, GM and Vlog 20. Hello! Hi! Nantok na. Ay, mahal ko ba? I need massage. I need massage my muscle. When I gotta go now, my lunch is almost over. Talk later, show and chart. Thank you, Ito. Where you? When are you going to live? Tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to live again. Tomorrow morning here in the Philippines, in night here in the Philippines. I'm doing live. Yep, yep. Hello, hello, Turkey. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. God bless. See you tomorrow here in the Philippines. I mean, with different time. Oh, sorry. Okay. Bye. Bye ito. See you next live. Thank you so much for joining here. Bye-bye. Ay, Dogan. Ay, Sal. Hello. Tanda kita yung mga mata at tumating parang isang panaginip ayoko magising.
Ang Monday, nagiging Monday. Ang Tuesday, tusok-tusok day. Ang Wednesday, working day. Pabalik-balik na lang.
It's 4 times speed developed versus a numerical man. It helps clear dirt damage from the source, so symptoms don't bother you again. Be sure every day you roll it. Now more affordable in a split pack.
Bear Brand price off. 300 grams. 100 pesos na lang. Bear Brand 840 grams. 279.50 pesos na lang. Bear Brand 1.21 kilograms. 405 pesos na lang. Bear Brand price off. Tibay on.
Tanda
Boyfriend ha? Ito po. Welcome to the family. Mabigat. Pag di tama, kinakain o nagkakasakit. Hindi ka na yan. That's not. Kaya dapat ang silipas. Kulong para pag silipas, araw-araw. Love yan. Sa isang taon na nagtuloy, ilang umaga na pinasigla, ilang umuyan na kinawang kapang apa, ilang bagay na nabuo, ilang mabuting asal at nagturo, ilang araw na kinawang espesyal. Ilang umilan na mga halaga, kaibigan pa, countless moments, endless goodness.
tanda ko parang nakitaan sumula ng mata. Thank you for watching. Hi, hello. Tahimik. Tahimik. Tahimik kayo. Salita naman kayo. Ano magawin ko dito? Hindi ko alam kung paano kaya na-rating. Ganun na.
Sa pagpapagaling kay mama, kasi ako, ayoko siya mawala.
Okay, no one talking. Call me. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you.
Sobrang sakit. Relax na. Relax. Yan,